Daily affirmations are simple, positive statements declaring specific goals in their completed states. Although they sound rather basic at that level, these empowering mantras have profound effects on the conscious and unconscious mind. Affirmations also hold a key to unlocking the law of attraction and creating the life of your dreams. My name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven to experience less stress and more peace. I invite you to become relaxed and comfortable. Close down the eyes and focus your attention on your breath, observing the breath and allowing it to relax your body. Breathing into the entire body system, and on each exhale, relaxing the entire body from the top of the head all the way down to the toes. Feel the letting go of tension throughout the body on each exhale, and the wonderful feeling of relaxing and sense of peace and surrender. Feel into the magic of the breath within you, flowing through you, filling you with this experience of release, calm and surrender. As you listen to the following words, all you need to do is relax and lovingly allow these words to override any thought patterns you currently have that do not serve you. Let's begin. I have an abundance of peace, love, joy, and happiness in my life. I am grateful for the natural abundance in my life. The universe is my friend and wants me to have everything I want. I choose to live in abundance. Life is generous and abundant. I live in an abundant universe. My mindset is abundant. Abundance is my birthright. I am grateful for the abundance of financial freedom in my life. I trust in the abundance of life and I am grateful. I am grateful for the abundance that flows naturally through my life. I enjoy my exquisite and abundant life. Each day I wake up with gratitude for the abundance of gifts in my life. I have an abundance of talents and gifts that are of benefit to the world. I am grateful that I have an abundance of money. I am in sync with life and live in wonder and amazement at the abundance of blessings I receive. I am overflowing with gratitude for the financial abundance in my life. Thank you for giving me everything I desire in life. Rest in the experience of abundance in all areas of your life, right here, right now. Feeling fully abundant and present in this very moment. As you finish this meditation with a full deep breath in and a long slow breath out. Gently and slowly open your eyes and return your awareness to the place where you are.